Welcome to the Arduino SpinBot video construction series. And in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble the two motors with a piece of tongue depressor and our two battery mounts. So let's get started. I've already pre-cut some double-sided mounting tape to about 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to use two pieces of that on my tongue depressor, one for each side, or I'm going to attach to the motors. So once they're firmly pressed those down, I can remove the protective coating. And then I'm going to attach that to my two motors. I want to make sure that the edge of the tongue depressor is at the edge of the metal on the motor, as you can see here. And also notice that the wire connectors for the motors are facing up. And then I'm just going to set that down on a nice level surface and press it firmly together. You notice the motor shafts are separated by about 1/8 of an inch, and it's a little more than 1/4 inch apart. So that determines the distance between the two motors. Once we have that, I'm ready to attach the battery holder to each side of the motor. And I want one on this side. I'm going to attach some mounting tape to the flat side of each motor. Again, I've pre-cut these at about 3/4 of an inch long. I can just put those down. Like that. Now if we peel off protective coating again. Now I'm ready to attach the battery holder. And I want to make sure the battery holder is centered on that side and on the motor end. So roughly about there. Once that is centered, I can press that down firmly, and you can see that my tongue depressor is flush with the side of the battery holder, and my battery holder is roughly centered on the motor shaft. And if we turn that over, do that once again, same thing. Piece of mounting tape. Make sure we press that down firmly. And remove the protective coating. And then attach my battery mount. Now remember to put the wires on the opposite side, so don't have all the wires on one end. Battery wires on each side of the motor shaft. So we have battery wires here, and again I'm centered on my motor's assembly, and I'm centered roughly on the shaft. And I just want to press that firmly together. And when you're using the double-sided mounting tape, the heavy-duty variety, you just press firmly and it really sticks. It's going to be hard to remove that once that's set. That's it. That's my motor assembly, and I'm ready to attach it now to the base of my Arduino SpinBot.